Kinesiology is extremely simple. Pretend you are writing a letter to someone you care about very much. You're writing with a pen, not the computer, but with a pen, and the paper is just beautiful crane paper. It is gorgeous, and the pen, you had long since forgotten how wonderful it is to write, and now you're experiencing it, and it's to someone you really care about. What hand are you using to write the letter? Now make an L with that for letter. Now what you're going to do is squeeze the L into duck lips. Now you're going to make a temporary closed circuit by connecting your thumb to your little finger, and it closes the circuit. That's all you have to do to close the circuit. Just hook it thumb to little finger behind this so you'll know what you're doing. There are two major electrical circuits going up your arm. One goes up the arm and branches into the thumb, the first finger, the second, and the third. The other electrical circuit goes up the arm and only goes into the little finger. For an excellent quality connection of an electrical circuit, you want to connect one circuit into an independent other circuit. That's why you choose the two outside fingers, the thumb into that circuit. These are two separate circuits. Then you put the duck lips right under. And notice I'm just resting them right on top. Now they're right under the circuit fingers. Now, there are three ways that you can connect your circuit. You can either go tip to tip, you can put your thumb on top of your little nail, or you can go pad to pad. Choose what feels comfortable. This is just the testing position. And it's your letter writing hand becomes your duck lips, and this is your circuit. Now, you ask a question, and when you ask a question, you plug the circuit together and you just press it. You press it right together. I've got a fair amount of pressure going in there. And I use the same amount of pressure to try to pry the circuit apart. If the answer to the question is yes, I can't get the circuit apart. If the answer to the question is no, the circuit breaks and the fingers come apart. So if it's yes, the fingers stay together, and if it's no, the fingers come apart. And in this coming apart, or they can just barely come apart and you just feel them break. That's your style. You stick with your style. So you ask a question. You're going to do it now. Ask yourself if your name is, and then put in your real name, and then test. Is my name, and then test. Push, or press, push, and try to pry apart. Now, I'll give you the second part of this so you can start to feel a difference. Now ask if your name is Harriet. If anybody here is named Harriet, ask if you're a Murgatroyd. Ask if your name is Harriet. And press, push apart, and see what you feel. You got to have some power to this. This is not some kind of a flower child thing. You got to put some power in. You're plugging the sucker into the wall. Press, push, and feel the strength or feel the weakness. If you didn't feel it, go back, get the answer. Relax, ask a question, press, push, get the answer. Don't stay in this constant push or press state. You're relaxing in between the questions. You're going to get real tired if you try to do that. So get the rhythm. That's what you do in your warm-up. Okay? I'm relaxed. Ask a question. People teach that. This is not as reliable and as strong as doing the break this way. I want you to get used to the best, what's going to give you the best result. I don't want you to waste time getting frustrated with the kinesiology because simply you've been taught something different. So it's this way, not that way. That's it. It's that simple.